This video is sponsored by VIPSCDKey.com. VIPSCDKey is a marketplace website where you can purchase game keys and software keys with no hassle. VIPSCDKey offers a legit Windows 10 Pro key for only $21. But to make it more awesome, they will be giving another 20% discount. Just type our coupon code XTNC to get it for only $15. If you're in the Philippines, purchasing is very easy. You can use PayPal, PayMaya, or GCash. Visit VIPSCDKey.com now. I'll put the link in the video description below. Hey, what's up guys? Action here. And with the launch of the AMD Ryzen 7000 series, marami nagbago since new platform, new CPU socket, as well as new generations of hardware gaya ng PCI Gen 5 and DDR5. So now, we're gonna build a gaming PC featuring the newest generation of hardware for the AMD Ryzen 7000 series. But first, let's check out the parts for this build, which is mostly ROG and Kingston parts. First is our CPU, which is the new AMD Ryzen 5 7600X, which is a 6-core 12-thread CPU with a base clock speed of 4.7 GHz and a max boost clock speed of up to 5.3 GHz. Wala itong included na stock cooler, although may built-in graphics na rin ito, which is a great addition, and is also equipped with the new socket technology then, which is yung AM5, which is what our motherboard, the ROG Crosshair X670E Hero, is using. Speaking of the motherboard, the ROG Crosshair X670E Hero is equipped with the latest AM5 socket and also a lot of features, gaya ng 18+2 phase power design and 110 amps power stage. Dual USB 4 ports with a whopping 40 GB per second bidirectional bandwidth. PCIe 5 support for both M.2 and PCIe devices gaya ng GPUs. 2.5 GB LAN, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.2 built-in, as well as DDR5 memory support. Meron din itong polymo lighting effect which we've already saw on some previous ROG motherboards and can be customized via Aura Sync effects or synchronized across compatible ROG devices. Also present are the AI features and ROG overclocking technologies, which lets you select overclocking modes based on your needs. For the memory or RAM, we have the Kingston Fury Beast DDR5 RGB with a capacity of 32GB, 16GB x 2 kit with a frequency of 6,000 megatransfer per second. AMD Expo certified din ito, so 100% compatible and optimized siya for the new AMD Ryzen platform. Meron itong customizable RGB lighting with Kingston's patented Fury infrared sync technology and has 16 preset patterns for lighting gaya ng rhythm, voltage, teleport, at iba pa, which can make your PC's RGB unique and more interesting. On the storage, we also have another Kingston product, which is the 1TB Kingston KC3000 Gen 4 NVMe SSD, which have rated speeds of up to 7,000 MB per second and 6,000 MB per second read and write, respectively. So high performance since PCIe Gen 4 drive ito. On the GPU, we'll have the ROG Strix RTX 3080 10G. And for our CPU cooler, since compatible pa rin yung existing AM4 coolers to the new AM5 socket, we'll be using the ROG Ryujin 2 360. Powering the entire system would be the ROG Thor II 1000W PSU. And housing all of these components would be the Lian Li SL120 Dynamic XL ROG certified. And I think most of which familiar na kayo. So medyo napansin ko lang dito sa bagong Ryzen 5 7600X, medyo mainit siya. Take note lang na naka-enable din yung PBO or Precision Boost Overdrive nung tinetest ko. And kahit na naka 360mm AIO liquid cooler tayo, ma-average tayo ng 78 degrees Celsius during the 10-minute loop ng Cinebench R23 with a maximum of 96 degrees Celsius. And for gaming naman, I've only tested F1 2022 Ultra settings at 1080p on a 10-minute loop din. And doon, ma-average tayo ng 62 degrees Celsius and 92.5 degrees Celsius naman ang pinakamataas na temperature while gaming. And that's it. So tune in for more AMD Ryzen 7000 builds, and there you have it. Thank you guys for tuning in. Ako nga pala sa Xtian, so like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you on my next PC build.